Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we make writing easy and fun. Today we're going to cover a topic that every student, writer, or aspiring author needs to master: essay writing. We'll dive into the different types of essays and give you step-by-step tips on how to nail each one. First things first, what is an essay? Well, an essay is a piece of writing that explores a topic in a structured way. But here's the thing, not all essays are created equal. There are different types of essays, and each one serves a different purpose. Today, we're focusing on 4 main types of essays. 1. Narrative essays. 2. Descriptive essays. 3. Expository essays. And 4. Argumentative essays. Let's break down each type and talk about how to write them successfully. First up, we have narrative essays. These are all about telling a story, your story. You're the narrator, and the goal is to engage the reader with an experience or personal tale. Text on screen: key features of a narrative essay. In a narrative essay, you need to tell a story. Whether it's real or fictional, your essay should have a beginning, middle, and end. Include characters and dialogue. Make the story come alive with vivid descriptions. Focus on personal experiences. Often narrative essays are written in the first person, giving it a personal touch. Text on screen: how to write a narrative essay. To write a great narrative essay, 1. Choose a memorable event. Pick a story that had a big impact on you. 1. Create an outline. This helps you structure the story and keep it focused. 1. Show, don't tell. Use descriptive language to make the reader feel like they're in the story. 1. Wrap it up with a lesson or reflection. Reflect on how the event changed you or what you learned from it. Segment 3. Descriptive essay. Next, we have descriptive essays. As the name suggests, these essays are all about description. The goal is to paint a vivid picture of a person, place, object, or event through words. Text on screen: key features of a descriptive essay. In a descriptive essay, you need to use sensory details. Describe what something looks like, sounds like, smells like, tastes like, and feels like. Create an emotional connection. Help the reader feel the emotions connected to the subject. Focus on a single topic. Don't overwhelm your essay with too many subjects. Stick to one and describe it deeply. Text on screen: how to write a descriptive essay. To write a strong descriptive essay, 1. Choose a topic that inspires you. It could be a favorite place, a cherished object, or a memorable person. 1. Start with a strong introduction. Introduce the subject and give a hint of what the reader will discover. 1. Use figurative language. Similes, metaphors, and personification will make your descriptions more vivid. 1. Keep the reader engaged. Make sure your description creates an emotional response. Segment 4. Expository essay. Moving on to expository essays. These are a bit different because they're about explaining a topic or providing information. Expository essays are all about facts, no opinions, no personal stories. Text on screen: key features of an expository essay. In an expository essay, you need to provide clear, unbiased information. This essay type is about giving facts, explaining a process, or defining a concept. Use logical structure. Have an introduction, a body where each paragraph explores one point, and a conclusion that summarizes. Use evidence. Support your points with facts, statistics, and examples. Text on screen: how to write an expository essay. To successfully write an expository essay, 1. Choose a topic you understand well. This will make it easier to explain. 2. Do your research. Make sure your facts are accurate and up to date. 3. Stick to a logical structure. Each paragraph should focus on one specific idea or piece of information. 4. Be concise. Don't include unnecessary details or opinions. Segment 5. Argumentative essay. And last but not least, we have the argumentative essay. This type of essay is all about presenting a strong argument and convincing the reader to agree with your point of view. Key features of an argumentative essay. Host. confidently. In an argumentative essay, you need to state a clear thesis. This is your main argument or stance on the issue. Present evidence. Use research, facts, and examples to back up your argument. Address counter-arguments. Acknowledge opposing views and explain why they're wrong or less convincing. Use persuasive language. Your goal is to convince, so choose your words carefully. How to write an argumentative essay. To write a compelling argumentative essay. 1. Pick a debatable topic. Make sure there's more than one side to the issue. 2. Create a strong thesis statement. Clearly state your position at the end of the introduction. 3. Use credible sources. Support your argument with evidence from reliable research. 4. Refute the opposition. Address and dismantle the other side's points with logic and facts. So those are the 4 main types of essays: narrative, descriptive, expository, and argumentative. Each one requires a different approach, but the good news is that with a little practice, you can master all of them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on writing and communication. Let me know in the comments which type of essay you find the most challenging, and I'll make sure to cover more tips on that in the next video. Until then, happy writing!